Hello everyone, such a nice autumn day. I'm now at Yunqi town in Hangzhou, China. I'm Olivia from Alibaba Cloud. Nice to see you again this year at Apsara conference. Apsara conference is one of the biggest technology festival in China and even in Asia. So let me take you around to see what's new this year and how the computing drives the future. Let's go! Hi guys, now I'm in Hall C, which shows the application of digital technologies into different verticals. Now I'm at the sports booth. I hope you still remember that back in February, we had a very fabulous Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Games. With the support of cloud technologies and digital services, it has reached an unprecedented level of digitalization. Let me give you some examples. First, it was the first Winter Olympic Games that migrated its core systems to the cloud. And also for the first time, the rights-holding broadcasters can receive the real-time footage on the cloud infrastructure, given its secure, resilient, and scalable global infrastructure resources. And also the multi-camera replay system was used for the first time in the history of Winter Olympic Games broadcasting to give the viewers a more immersive and exciting viewing experience. Also, the professional services and also the project management, including 696 hours, 7 days, 24 hours services, delivered a zero failure and zero incident Winter Olympic Games. On the whole, Alibaba Cloud's innovative digital solutions for large-scale sporting events cover the digitalization of four aspects: operation, competition, communication, and experience. The digitalization of operation improves the performance of event organization and the cross-department collaboration. It established a system for people, venue, and the services. In this regard, we have developed the venue simulation technologies and also the intelligent command center operation. The digitalization of competition provides digital assistance and performance improvement based on data-driven training guidance. In collaboration with the visual capture technologies and modeling technologies, the 3D athlete check-in system can help improve the athletic performance. The digitalization of communication provides a better and more exciting and immersive viewing experience for sports fans around the world. For example, the digital ticketing system has been supporting a couple of big sporting events already worldwide, and also based on the data insights of the fans that we provide a better operation scheme for the fans' operation around the world. The digitalization of experience provides a completely new and immersive viewing experience for sports fans worldwide. For example, the digital ticketing system has been supporting large-scale events worldwide. And also, based on the data-driven insights of the sports fans' operation can be improved dramatically. Can't wait to enjoy more fun and intelligent sporting events. How about you? Let's explore the new era of sports with Alibaba Cloud.